If you sell coaching online, this could be the most important video that you watch all year. Things have shifted when it comes to coaching and how AI is changing the landscape. And in this video, I want to break down 3 coaching models that are shifting in a big way and how you're going to want to align with these shifts so you can actually accelerate and grow in this AI era versus get lost in the noise of the traditional offerings and delivery models for coaches. So the first one I want to talk about, the first shift in the first coaching model is online courses. And the big shift we want to do here is shift you from course creator, people doing videos and all those kind of things, to a tool maker. So we want to go from course seller and creator to tool maker. And I'm talking about AI and specifically AI agents. It has never been easier for you to train an AI tool and sell access to that AI tool than today. There are tools out there like mindpal.space, formwise.com, Lindy that will allow you with no coding to create an AI agent that is sellable that you can either put on your website or even just sell directly to people, basically replacing your course. So imagine if you trained an agent that not only was an active experience for your people, train it on your course materials, your templates, all those kind of things, and give it to a client to get a result, not just learn something. Big difference here. I've created a tool called Webby. You can check out the link in the description there that writes webinar scripts for people literally in minutes. And I've been selling access to that tool directly with no coaching or anything else, minimal content around it. And people have been buying it up like crazy lately. So there's a huge desire for AI tools that solve a specific problem for a buyer. And so that is the shift you want to make in the online course world. Things are shifting from videos and consuming a bunch of heavy materials to an agent that actually guides the buyer through the process faster and gets them a result much faster. If you'll make that shift, your courses will sell like hotcakes in 2025 and beyond. Now, the second model that's shifting in the coaching world is group coaching. So group coaching isn't necessarily going anywhere anytime soon, but the shift you want to think about is how can you add, instead of just more content, how can you add what I talked about in step number 1, that AI tool, to your group coaching program to get your clients better results in between sessions, but also to better sell your group coaching program. If you will add an AI agent, it could be a custom GPT or an agent in one of the tools I talked about to your group coaching offer, it's going to sell at a much higher rate. My friend Scott is a YouTube strategist, sells a group coaching program, has been selling a whole lot more of them since creating a custom trained GPT or AI tool that he uses as one of the pieces of the offer when people buy his group coaching program. So he's selling more group coaching programs now because he's got an AI component to it that he can bundle in. So they don't not only get his attention in a small group format, they also have his AI tool as well. Okay, so if you want to sell more group coaching and get better results, you want to add one of these tools, again, no code tools out there, to your stack to sell more group coaching and help people get better results. Now, the third model is one-on-one. So we've got course, group, and one-on-one. Those models have been around a long time. How can you use AI to enhance your one-on-ones? Well, not too dissimilar to the group. Obviously, when people buy access to you one-on-one, they want more direct access. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. People buy you for you, and so they still want proximity to you. But if you'll add that AI tool to your one-on-one offerings, again, if you're going to sell more, it's going to be more attractive, and you're going to get your clients better, more efficient results in between the sessions. You can actually even train an AI tool on all of your stuff, and it can act as a coach between sessions. So you could add all of your YouTube content or blog posts or course materials to an AI tool that you can even set it up to talk to your clients in between sessions. That technology is available as well, okay? So moral of the story here, you want to be adding an AI tool to your tool stack, whether it's in a course, you can sell that tool as a standalone, as a way of enhancing your group and one-on-one offerings and the results between sessions. It is a home run. If you want to thrive in this era, you want to align with this era. And again, there's a ton of tools out there with a small learning curve. You could get this up and running for your business. This is not going anywhere anytime soon. And so you want to align with this. I'm going all in on this for my own business as a webinar consultant and a growth strategist for other businesses. I'm going to be creating a number of AI-powered tools that are all in line with a system that I can sell both as a bundle and also as individual tools to the market. People are much preferring to buy my AI agent versus my course as a standalone right now. And it's just hot, it's sexy, and it gets people better results. And again, if you'd like to check out my AI tool, Webby, you can check the links in the description there. If you'd like a tool that can literally create a high converting sales presentation for your business, literally in minutes, you can check it out in action, the description. Check the link in the description there. That's it for this video. There's another video around my head if you'd like to continue the learning. Feel free to like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions on this concept. I know it can be scary for us in the coaching, consulting, course selling world with all these crazy changes right now, but it is here to stay. You need to align with this stuff if you really want to accelerate and grow in this era. I get it. Maybe some of you aren't that techie. There are tools out there that you can learn that can help get this done for you much easier than you thought possible. So that's it for this video. Hopefully this is some eye-opening stuff, and I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Take care for now.